Yeah, look at that. I think we're time for some new tyres. Guys, welcome back to the ProTech RC channel. If you're new here, do consider subscribing. In this video, we're going to show you an alternative to removing your tyres from your rims to replace them. Now, most people will recommend putting them in the oven to bake them. There's also the acetone method, putting them in boiling water. But the method we're going to show you today is actually using a heat gun. So you don't have to warm up the oven, you don't have to boil any water or anything like that. Right guys, so we basically just warm up the tyre gently. We find like the slower speed actually works a bit better. And then it's pretty much the same method as being baked. So we're just using a microfiber, but like any old cloth or anything like that, just to peel it back. These do get really warm. So you do need that, otherwise you will burn your fingers. So we'll get started on this one, and then you can sort of see the method. So we just like to just do like half at a time, and then it will, when it starts to warm up, it will start to break the bonds, just like the oven method. Now you can see that is actually starting to break the bond, and it's actually starting to come apart there, look. So, like I say, these do get hot, so you do need to be careful. Right, I've just heard a break of the bond there, so that's obviously started to loosen up. You can actually see now that that's started to come apart. So you just need to keep working it around. It works exactly the same as the other oven method. Just keep warming it up gently. And eventually it will come apart. I actually prefer this method. I actually tried the oven method and actually melted some tyres because I kept it in the oven too long. So this is a lot more controlled. You can monitor the temperature a lot better. You could even, once you broke the bond, you could just get in there with the screwdriver and prise it apart. That also works. It saves your thumbs a little bit as well, because removing tyres can hurt your thumbs quite a bit. So as the wheel warms up more, it will become a lot easier as well as the heat moves around the wheel. So it does take a bit of working, but I actually do think this is a better method. You can definitely see now, look, the tyres starting to come apart. Ow, that was hot. Yeah, that's definitely breaking the bond now. So I've been doing this for about 5 minutes. This wheel. So if you put them in the oven, obviously you got to preheat the oven and all that kind of stuff. So once you get one side done, the other side comes off a lot easier. So as I'm replacing these wheels, these tyres, I'm not really bothered if they come off and they break. Just more concerned about getting them off, really. Now this side's almost done. There is some areas where the tyre has split, but like I said, not too concerned. Let's get that off later. This glue was obviously really good, the glue I used to stick these on. Right, that's one side done. So we'll just get on the other side. This side should be a lot quicker because the wheel's already warm. And there we have it. All in all, it took about 12 minutes to do the whole tyre. So like I said, by the time you've warmed up your oven and put them in the oven for X amount of time, or warmed your water up to boil them, whatever your method is this is probably quicker, because once you've warmed up one side, the other side of the tyre the wheel starts to warm up. That starts to soften the glue anyway. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and we will see you on the next one. Catch you later, guys.